Before bug spray, humans still had to sleep. Before nets, windows, or electric zappers, night had teeth. Not lion teeth. Not wolf teeth. Tiny flying needles. For ancient humans, buzzing could ruin survival. No sleep meant weak hunters. Weak children became easier targets. And some bites could carry sickness. So the fight began before history had words. The first problem was not killing every mosquito. The first problem was surviving the night. Ground was cold. Ground was dirty. Ground was full of pests. So humans changed the floor. That is where border cave becomes important. Researchers found ancient grass bedding there. The age is about 200,000 years. That is older than cities by a ridiculous distance. The grass was not just thrown anywhere. It sat over layers of ash. Ash is dry. Ash is powdery. And ash can disturb crawling pests. Old bedding could be burned. Then new bedding could replace it. This was housekeeping before houses. A sleeping place became a controlled space. Maybe this was the first bug-resistant bedroom. The bedding had another strange clue. Researchers found broad-leaved camphor bush remains. That plant is still used in repelling bedding. This does not prove a recipe, but it shows a pattern worth noticing. Ancient humans watched plants closely. Some leaves smelled strong. Some smoke worked better than others. That knowledge came from thousands of nights. No lab coat, just memory. Fire already did many jobs. It warmed the camp. It lit the dark. It cooked food. But smoke had a hidden job. Smoke changes the smell around humans. It can make mosquitoes avoid landing. Field studies still test smoke protection. Burned leaves can release stronger repellent volatiles. So the first spray may have been burned. The camp was not the only defense. The body could become a barrier too. Humans used mud. Humans used ash. Humans used fat. Humans used ochre. Sometimes these were beauty or ritual. But some tests explored mosquito protection. That does not make every painting repellent. It means survival tools can look symbolic. The smartest defense may have been location. Still water brought trouble. Wet ground brought trouble. Thick vegetation brought trouble. Some seasons were worse. Some winds helped. People did not need microscopes. They only needed to remember bad camps. Children got sick there. So the group moved. Mosquitoes were not only a sleep problem. Some mosquitoes can spread malaria. Malaria can be life-threatening. That changes how land feels. Recent research looked deep into Africa. The study modeled 74,000 years. It asked where humans chose to live. The answer suggests disease mattered early, not only after farming. So mosquitoes may have shaped settlement. So there was no single magic trick. There were layers. Choose the camp. Keep smoke near the sleeping zone. Put bedding over ash. Use helpful plants. Cover the skin. Move away from dangerous places. Each trick was imperfect. Together, they made nights survivable. A mosquito is tiny. But tiny things can shape human life. It changed where people slept. It changed what people burned. It changed what people remembered. It may have changed where people lived. No spray. No screens. Just fire, ash, plants, and memory. The mosquito helped invent the protected place to sleep.